to be showing you another example of a really cool alternative open E minor 7th chord.
And this is what it looks like and sounds like.
And basically on that 6th string or that E string, we're going to play that open. Then on the 5th string or A string, with a ring finger, on the 14th fret, we'll play that B. Then on the 4th string or D string, we'll play that open D. Then on the 3rd string or G string, we'll play that open G. Then on the 2nd string, we'll play that open B. And then on the 1st string, we'll play that open E. And when you pull them all together, it sounds and looks like this. Again, that's a really cool version of an open E minor 7th chord. Hope you enjoy the video. Keep on jamming.